but still, if you look at the human right perspective, so still, there is a gap, because almost all of the migrant workers, they are not enjoying their rights. It is ongoing. I have to say, because the problem is reporting to our organization. So it means still there is a problem withholding a passport, and then like problem of returning, and some of the companies are closed, the exit permit is not given, so there are some problems. In 2016 we had 32 case death recorded, and 2017 25, and 2018 34. Those people are young, they are contributing to the those countries, and they're coming back with the coffin. It's very sad news.